biggest tips for just a shorter answer is definitely being in a caloric deficit. So 1 pound is 3,500 calories, and you would have to start edging away at how many calories you're taking in, as well as how many calories you're burning. So 1 pound of weight loss would be 500 calories less per day to equal a 1 pound per week loss. With that said, you have to also make sure that the protein intake is high so that you stay fuller for longer, your muscles are recovering. And then a second part of weight loss would be the exercise output, which is how much cardio you're doing, like I had said, and how many calories you're burning. But in addition to that, how much muscle you're building. So it's hard to lose weight while you're building muscle. But if you were to be building muscle, it's an easier way to keep weight off. Instead of just going and doing cardio, weight training is definitely an easier way to keep weight off and lose the weight initially. With the goal of losing weight, how should you balance those exercises is that you would try and do weight training, but do a higher rep range. So rather than using really heavy weight and doing fewer reps and longer rest periods in between each set, you would try your best to do like 20 to 25 repetitions as a general guideline with a moderate weight, a light to moderate weight. And then you would do 5 sets rather than the typical 3 sets for weight training.